How to delete your Instagram account. Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you step by step how to delete your Instagram account. First of all, you have to open your Facebook and tap on the setting icon at the top right corner. When you click on the setting and privacy icon, now here you have to click on personal details. As soon as you click on this, here you have to scroll down, and here you have to again click on this my. Here you have to click on again personal detail. When you click on this, here you have to tap on account ownership and controls. Now select deactivate and delete the account. After that, here you have to select your Instagram account which you want to delete. After that, you have to select delete account and tap on continue at the bottom. After that, here you have to select reason for your deleting account. Now tap on continue and tap on again continue. In this way you can delete your Instagram account permanently. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.